So I got some eggs and potatoes with one muffin and some coffee, and I think the same with Neha. I'm gonna quickly eat my breakfast here. It's been ages since I've stayed in Hilton. I think it's been like exactly around 3 years. Last I stayed was in 2018. We're currently staying in Embassy Suites, not in Hilton exactly, but this is part of Hilton. So I'm gonna quickly have my breakfast and get back to the room. I have like exactly 20 minutes before my meeting starts. So we're finally out of the hotel and we came here at an Indian place called Mint for our lunch. And look at Girish, man. This guy has no chill. He has been working in the flight. He has been working since the morning and now he's working here as well. If Girish's manager is watching, please give him some break. Just embarrassing Girish. We are exploring some of the places in Denver downtown. Behind me is one of the art museum here. It's kind of closed now. We are not gonna go inside. We're gonna go to Capitol Hill. So mostly in USA, every city, or like I think almost every city has a place called Capitol Hill, which we are gonna see now. You might have seen it in my previous vlog of St. Louis, Washington DC, Texas as well. And now I think this is the 4th time me visiting a Capitol Hill in a new city. So let's go and check that out. And till we do that, these guys are waiting for me to finish up. Let's go, guys. I'm done. The city is quite nice, and since we are staying in the downtown, you can see a lot of traffic behind me, and there are a lot more people than I see usually in the city where I currently stay in Missouri. So I'm really enjoying that part. And it feels more lively, and in Missouri it was still raining till I was there yesterday, but here it's like really hot. I was hoping that the weather here would be cold because that's what it said. It's gonna be like 10 degrees or something, but no, it's hot, and I'm liking it so far here. Currently on 16th Street, and what is the street famous for? Now when I ask these guys any question in front of the camera, they all go so silent as if I'm like asking them to kill someone or something. Just there are a lot of eateries and it's a mall. Yeah, it's a shopping place. So currently we are going to get some ice cream from some gelato place. We guys are still on 16th Street and we are enjoying our shakes from Kilvin's. I think this is a really good place to hang out with friends and just chill. There's a bar in front of us and there is some music going on in the back, so I think it's really good. हो गया पोस्ट करके तुम लोगों का हो गया So we did spend some time on the 16th Street. It's actually a very nice street to eat and just chill out with friends. We took a free ride bus from there and now we are at Union Station. And we're gonna spend some time here, roam around and just explore the place. This place just has a really good vibe and it's so upbeat. There are a lot of pubs and restaurants here to eat and chill out with friends again. So far this downtown has really impressed me and I'm really enjoying my time with people here. We are right now inside Union Station and they have this nice artsy style transport hub which also has cool places to eat and drink. The city eludes a different charm at night, and post dinner we decided to walk at Larimer Square, which is Denver's one of the most old days and historic block, and the street is illuminated by these thousands of lights which makes it a little extra special during the night. I'm back in my room now. I think today was a really fun day. Even after spending most of my time working, whatever time we spent outside, it was really fun because the weather was nice. We did take a lot of pictures and we also enjoyed the ambience of the places that we visited. After enjoying some nice dinner, we walked across the streets of Denver downtown. I think we walked for like more than 5 miles today. So now everyone is really tired. So we're gonna wind up now and probably go to bed. So, and tomorrow we are gonna check out from this place and then head to Colorado Springs. So I'm gonna end the vlog now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
क्या मेरे को क्यों देना है? पूरे ट्रिप में मैं ही टारगेट रहूंगा।